discussed, we will create a we'll discuss some basic commands in Linux, and these are some directories, which is the square are all directories: a car, Honda, Maruti, MH, Brio, Swift, Baleno. Under Brio, you have this file, okay? And after that, we'll just copy and paste to this. So these are we'll discuss some basic commands here, and we'll see what is happening. Okay. Now, what we need to do first, we will create a directory. So mkdir car. To check whether it is created or not, you can fire a command ls-l. Okay? And you can see the car directory is here. How you get to know it's directory or not? If it is coming in a blue color and or if it is starting with D, okay, later that is called directory. So I'll go according to this diagram. So under car you have two more directory. Now you will get to know PWD. PWD give the path. So this is root. Under root you have slash. Now we created the car under root actually. So if you want to go inside the car right now, cd car. So we'll check whether under car anything is there. Nothing is there. So we have to create two directories here, Honda and Maruti. So obviously here Honda and here Maruti. If we do ls-l, we can see both the directories are there. It's starting from D. But these are all directories. Under Honda, what we have Amaze and Brio. So obviously go inside Honda, cd means change directory. And under Honda, you have to create Amaze. You can do at a time also. Yeah. See, Amazon Brio is created. Okay. Now, under Brio, you have to create a file. So go to Brio and ls. You don't have anything. Create a file. So how to create a file? So you can create. There are many commands there, but I'll go with the basic one. File.txt. Touch is the command to create empty file. Okay. So go to that. Sorry. So you created a file. Now you want to write something in that file. So first check it whether it is created or not. Yes, it is created. And file, how will get to know whether it is file or not? Obviously it is colorless, and but the main point is starting with hyphen, that is called Clyde. Okay, if something is starting with hyphen, that is Clyde. If something starting with D, it is directory. Okay. So if you want to write in that file, so you have to use VI editor, Visual Interface Editor. Okay. Or you can use Vim also, but obviously use VI editor. Okay, VI file.txt. I open that. If you want to write something in this file, then press I. When you press I, you go to the insert mode. Without insert mode, you cannot write. So I'll just write welcome to DevOps and Cloud. Okay, and save and exit. Okay, after saving and exit, if you want to view the content of the file, so you can try this command cat. Cat is to view the content of the file. Okay. So now I think we have finished this portion. Okay. Suppose I will show you one more time. If you want to write in that file again, vi file 1.txt, enter, press I, go to after that line. I will just type welcome to Silicon Valley. Okay. Right, like this. Sure. And save and exit. One more thing, guys, if you want to tell you how to save and exit. Okay. So after writing, suppose I write that equal to equal, then you have to press escape to save and exit. Okay. So I'll show you again. Now I'm in insert mode. I'm writing here. If you want to save and exit, press escape. You come out from that insert mode. Then press colon. You can see the colon at the bottom. WQ. W means save. Q means quit. And exclamatory means forcefully. So if you want to save and exit, you have to type WQ. If you do not want to save and only quit, then only Q and exclamatory. Okay. So W means save, Q means quit, and exclamatory for forcefully. That's it. Okay. So this portion has been done. We will do this portion. Maruti, Swift, and Baleno. We have done Maruti, I think. So right now I'm here, under Brio. How you get to know? You are under Brio. Or there is one more method, PWD. Yes, you are under Brio. Brio is under Honda. Honda is under car, and car is under root, and root is under slash. Okay, slash also a directory. That is a top level directory. Now from here, Brio, I need to go to the car so that I can go to the Maruti. So I'm here. I need to go to the car. From the car, I need to go to the Maruti. Then I can create two distance. So I'll do that. So I'll go to the car. cd dot command is to go to the previous directory. Now see you are in Brio. Now you come to Honda. Okay, if I press one more cd dot, I'll go to car. Now you Honda to car. Okay, if I type PWD, right now you are car. So you are in this place. Now if I do ls-l, I should see Maruti here. Yes, I can see Maruti. Okay, so inside that. Okay, that slash, guys, don't be confused with the slash because when I press tab, it will automatically come. So slash will come. Don't worry. Okay, without slash also work. So under Maruti, we'll create Swift and Baleno. And we'll check whether it's working or not. Yes, it is. Baleno and Swift is created. Now I think enter structure has been created. Now if you want to see the enter structure, what is happening, this part also I think done. So if you want to see the enter structure, let me check if it is working or not. So I will type -r recursively. I want to see everything, and yes, it is showing. Now I just type /root/car because car belongs to root. So I just give the path and -r is the recursively. And I can see the whole structure is shown here. Under car, Honda and Maruti. Under Honda, you have Ramirez and Brio. And under Brio, you have file.txt. So you have everything, correct? Now, how to copy this file one, which you created under Brio, to Baleno? So I'll tell you very easiest, guys, because lots of people have a confusion in copy command. The easiest way is you need to specify the source path and the destination path. So I'll just copy this file.txt to the Baleno. So what is my source path? Car, Honda, Brio, and file.txt, and destination is car, Maruti, and Baleno. Okay, so cp-r. The source path, actually car is present under root. You should not forget. So very easy. The path is here. If you write this command, the path will show here. So no need to do anything. Just copy it. So car, Honda, Brio. So I just copy it from here. File is here. So this is my source path up to this. Copy paste. And then just type file because you want to take that file things, right? So it's coming under system to second line. Let me extend. I'll do it again. Yeah. So cp-r. Let me clear the screen so we can see it easily what is happening there. Yeah. Okay. So let me extend a little bit. So cp. Okay. Let me get the path first. ls -r slash root slash car, and we got the path. So I need to copy from here to here. So path is here, no need to worry. cp-r. So always try this command so you can see the entire path. No need to go to the directory one by one. So this is my source path, and I'll give file.txt. Then I will write the destination. Destination is car Maruti Baleno, where it is. Yes, and I invest it here. So cp-r is for recursively, and because the file is present under this directory, so this is my source path and this is my destination path. Okay, and enter. So this is copied. How we will check? So if I'll check this path right now, which one? The entire path, it is copied or not. Either I can go to this directory and do ls, so we can check that it's copied or not, or I'll fire this command so that I can check it. So I fired it and I check that yes. Now the Baleno, before Baleno file.txt was under Brio, there is no file here. Now you can see under Baleno also you have file.txt and it's copied from here to here. Got it? Similarly, you can also do the cut and paste. I'll show you. Suppose you want to do the cut and paste only instead of CP, you can use MV. So let me I'll not waste any time here. I'll just copy. I just copied and pasted, but I just missed something there. So just use MV. Okay. So it will just cut from the Brio and paste it in the Baleno. I'll not do Baleno. I'll go to Swift. Okay. So Swift is under Maruti, right? So I'll just change it here. So it's saying invalid option. That means you don't need a recursive here in cut and paste. Okay, we can remove that. Okay. So I'll remove it. In CP, you have this recursive mode you require, but here it is not asking for that. So MB, source file, then space, destination file, destination directory, and enter. Yes, it is done. So now the file.txt is moved from Brio to Swift. So it is moved from here, cut and paste to Swift. Now, how will check it, guys? Yes, the same one. ls-r, enter. Now it is it is cut from Brio. Under Brio, nothing is there, and it went to Swift. See, this is it. Okay. So these are some basic commands, man. And there are lots of commands in Linux, but this is the basic command which is required to for the navigation. Okay, to play with the Linux. Okay. So guys, we will see some other topics later. For complete videos on training, visit www.aconvalley.com.